I'm going to teach you how to land a project just like I learned and taught fighter pilots to land the F-4, which I flew, an aircraft that was designed to land on carriers. So you bring that down final approach. You want to slam that right on the end of the runway, absorbs the energy, and slows it down, okay? So I said, I know you're going to screw it up. We're going to practice over and over again until everything on Friday goes live. It doesn't matter whether it's a sales proposal, it's shipped, or it's software, it's live in all the banks. And sure enough, within about 6 weeks, they started planning that project at the end of the runway, and within 6 months, it was the most profitable unit in the bank. And the bank, I also gave them what is a common tool now in Scrum. I said, I'm going to give you the burn down chart so you can see where you are on the glide path, and we're going to throw away the Gantt charts. They don't work. So that was the first use of the burn down chart all the way back in 1983. So when we started, costs were 30% more than revenue. Within 6 months, we flipped that, 60% swing in margins. So that was the first prototype of Scrum Scale, and we've taken that into many companies. I just put one in the bottom here, Pegasystems, which is right down the street, publicly traded company. And around 2009, we started implementing Scrum there, and you can see the stock price jumped about 400% while we're implementing Scrum. And then it stabilized, and they had Scrum running here in Cambridge, in India, bought companies in Europe, Scrum everywhere. And I kept on telling them, you guys could do a lot better than this because, you kind of stopped improving when your stock went up 400%. You could actually be way, way, way better. And it wasn't until, see where that stock pops again, some years later, they brought me in to talk to the product owners about innovation, speed of delivery, how to form the product better. They told me, we think we have a product owner problem. So I came in and started working with the product owners. Whoa, the stock goes up even faster. So one of my goals with Scrum is to really make companies successful. I work with a venture capital firm. We want all our companies running Scrum. We run our venture capital firm with Scrum. Everything is Scrum. Why? At the venture group, we get 3 times the work in a third the